Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite skincare products that you should definitely add to your Christmas wish list. Stay tuned. Okay, so up first on my skincare faves are 5 of my face masks from none other than Love Bold Co. So I'm gonna be sharing with you some of my favorite face masks from Love Bold Co. In the description box, you will find a link to my discount code so you can save some coins on these amazing face masks. But let's get right into these masks. So in no particular order is Call Me Later. This mask is for the face and the body. I'll show you what it looks like. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Love this face mask. All of the face masks are very thick. Love that about them. So this one is made with blueberry and raspberry extract, lime juice, kale and clay, coconut cream, glycerin, olive oil, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, hemp oil, jojoba oil, and a lot of other amazing ingredients. Call Me Later is definitely one of those feel-good masks. Again, this is for the face as well as the body. Definitely check this out. Next up, we have Hello Gorgeous. And this mask is a calming, nourishing, soothing mask. And we're about down to the bottom of this one. This mask is made with kale and clay, glycerin, sunflower seed oil, arrowroot flower, rose water, aloe vera oil, calamine powder, lavender essential oils, rose absolute, and some other amazing ingredients. Absolutely love this face mask as well. Definitely want to add this to your list. Next up, we have a goodie down to the pore. This is the Turmeric Deep Cleansing Scrub. Show you what this one looks like. Got about 2, maybe 3 more uses of this one. This one is made with kale and clay, glycerin, sunflower seed oil, arrowroot flower, aloe vera oil, potassium, ground jasmine rice, turmeric powder, and some essential oils. Another must add to your Christmas wish list. I have 2 more face masks. I absolutely love the names of these masks. This one is called That Skin Though. And this one is made with kale and clay, glycerin, rose water, honey water, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, olive oil, hemp oil, jojoba oil, citric extract, and some other amazing ingredients. Let me show you what this one looks like. I love the minty smell of this one. It also gives your face a little tingle. Definite must add to your Christmas wish list. And last, but definitely not least, no filter. No filter needed once using this mask. And I love the color of it. So this one is a vitamin C rich brightening, a glow boosting mask. And it is made with kale and clay, glycerin, carrot oil juices, lemon, orange, lime, rose water, honey water, honey, water, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, olive oil, hemp oil, jojoba oil, citric acid, and some other amazing ingredients. This, must add this to your wish list. So these amazing masks from Love Bold Co., small Black female-owned business. Make sure you check them out and support. Love, love, love these masks. Next up for my skincare faves is a product line that is near and dear to my heart, none other than Red Rose Naturals. So I have some products from Red Rose Naturals. First, I have one of the very first face masks that I have ever tried. And if you watched my product empties video a couple of days back, this mask was a part of that. I had an empty of this, and this is the French Pink Clay Glow Mask, which exfoliates and brightens. Absolutely love this mask. Let me show you what it looks like. This is a new bottle because I just finished up one. Look at that goodness. So this mask is made with organic French pink clay, organic rose powder, organic rose hydrosol, organic jojoba oil, organic kaolin, organic emulsifying wax, and there are no paraben preservatives in this mask. Definitely want to add this to your Christmas wish list. Next up from Red Rose Naturals is the Hydrating Rose Face Cream, which is made with rose geranium, aloe vera, and jojoba. Absolutely love this face cream. A little goes a long way. This is what it looks like in the inside. Very, very moisturizing. Definitely want to add that to your wish list as well. And then next up, another face mask from Red Rose Naturals. This is the Turmeric Honey Glow Mask, which is a skin softening and clarifying mask. This one is made with organic turmeric powder, organic kaolin, organic honey powder, organic bentonite, non-paraben fragrance extract, essential oil blend. And this is the turmeric face mask from Red Rose Natural. So this is just a loose powder. This is a new jar. So this is just a loose powder. You add a little bit of water to it and you make it to the consistency that you want. It says in a separate bowl, mix 1 tablespoon with a few drops of water until a nice paste is formed. Apply to your face and let dry. Rinse with warm water. And this one, definitely want to add this to your wish list as well. And last but not least, from Red Rose Naturals, one of my faves. This is actually my favorite serum. This is the Rose Glow Radiance Face Serum. And this is the actual, these two have the new packaging from Red Rose Naturals, which I absolutely love. This face serum, and I have 2 of these. This is a must-have. So this face serum, the glow and the shine that this gives you, unmatched. Definitely add this to your wish list. And again, I will leave the information to a link in the description box where you can get a discount on these Red Rose Naturals products as well. Another Black, small, female-owned business. Definitely support them. And last but not least, on my list of favorite skincare products, this one is from a brand that you've seen plenty of times on my channel, but for hair care. But this is the skincare line. And this is from Camille Rose. So this year is the first time that I've tried the Camille Rose skincare products, and I'm so glad I did because I absolutely love them just as much as I love the hair care products. So let me talk about these since this is my first time showing them on my channel. So first up, We have the Floor Detox Mask, which is made with volcanic clay and barley. So let me show you what it looks like. Very nice, thick mask. Absolutely love this mask. Okay, so here are the ingredients for this mask. Top ingredients are water, kaolin, bentonite, glycerin. So the directions for this mask says to apply a thick layer onto cleansed skin, allow 15 to 20 minutes for the mask to dry, gently remove with a warm washcloth in a downward stroke before splashing face with cool water to seal in the residual moisture. And this mask is amazing. When it dries, your skin feels so tight or you can hardly move your mouth. And then you rinse it off and your skin feels and looks amazing. Definitely want to add this to your wish list. Okay, next up from Camille Rose Skin Collection, which is called Face, is the Seedless Skin Pore Reducing Foaming Scrub made with charcoal and jojoba beads. This is another goodie that you definitely want to add to your wish list. For this one, it says to use after cleansing and toning, squeeze a dime-sized amount onto fingertips and massage gently onto the face in a circular motion. Concentrate on areas that are particularly clogged or dull. Rinse with warm water. Here are the ingredients. Definitely another one to add to your wish list. Next up, we have the Youth Burst Age Reversing Night Serum, which I have been using a lot lately. And the directions for this one says warm 3 to 5 droplets between hands and press into the skin until entire face and neck is nourished. For best results, apply fresh toner liquid makeup remover and toner before using this product. So this is another good one to add to your wish list. And last but not least, from Face by Camille Rose is the Light Effect Daily Brightening Moisture Dew, which is made with white peony and superfruit butter. Definitely love this moisturizer. It says after cleansing and toning, pump 3 to 5 droplets onto hand and apply over entire face and neck. Use twice daily in the morning and evening for a dewy, glowy skin. And this is exactly what it gives you. So definitely want to add this to your wish list as well. So another female-owned skincare business, Face by Camille Rose. Definitely want to check them out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found some things that you want to add to your wish list. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried any of these products or if you're planning on getting some. Again, thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.